going to go over some of my issues I've had with my Alliance Paradigm. My Alliance RV, it's a fantastic RV. I wouldn't have anything out there. Their service is outstanding. But I've got a couple issues here we're going to go over today. So we'll start with the ones outside. Oops, sorry about that, a little fast. But for Buckland here, as you can see, and the other ones on the Alliance Alliance Facebook page, they've had the same thing. I've got that, and this other side, it's a little worse. See, it's starting to buckle out over here too. Sun's kind of there. You can see how it's really buckling. But I've contacted them, Alliance, and another thing on here, I don't know if you can see or not, but see where this thing here is broke and the shoe inside has fallen off. It broke off. This is a 2022. Bought it in RV1 Orlando in December of 21. This is in July. I've contacted them, and they're going to. I mean, they got back to me. I bet you within, I don't know, 24 hours. They said that the service person who would be taking care of it would get back to me within 48 hours, and I bet about 30 hours. They got back with me with a list. I sent them pictures, and they want to know if there was anything else. They want to know where I was located at. Told them, and so I'm waiting to find out. This is just yesterday. Waiting to hear back if I need to take it to Indiana or if they're going to come. I'm in Iowa right now. I don't know what they're going to do, but I got some other issues. We'll go inside, and I'll show you those. But Alliance Services, they have great RVs too. I mean, I love it. Think they've done, but like all RVs, they have their issues. So I'll show you the ones inside, and we'll see what they're going to do and how they're going to take care of it. Thanks a lot. But I'll take you inside now, and I'll show you those. And this is what I was showing you outside. The ski, it fits underneath here, underneath. Well, let's show you where it goes. It goes right under here. Right under here. Fits on the outside. And when I get ready to leave, go to another spot, I'm going to have to bring it in a little bit and put this back on. But this goes under here, and this is supposed to protect the floor and not do this. I have a rip here, but so it doesn't get worse. I glued it down, but it leaves a streak. It does this on both sides. And with the back, how you see the back, how I showed you the outside, how it was kind of buckling or whatever you want to call it. When it's done to this side, inside, I'll show you what it's done inside. You can see where this end cabinet, which is like an end table, folds up. I'll show you what it's done here. And we don't even have anything heavy. We got a pillow and one blanket. But as you can see here, the back thing is coming undone. And it's doing that on both sides. We also have another issue at the top board. Well, it's supposed to be up against the top of the slide. You'll notice it's coming apart, it's coming loose right up here. Like I said, I'm sorry, I've contacted Alliance, and they sent me an email back. Want to know if everything, pictures I've sent them, if that was everything. And they're going to get back to figure out where they're going to fix that, because we're in Iowa for now. I told them I'd go to Indiana if I need to. I don't want to do that right away. But, they're going to fix everything, and it'll be like it's supposed to be. So you want to watch for this, because there's other alliances that are having the same issues. Something to do with the couch and a beam in the back, or whether, I don't know, but they're going to fix it. So that's all that matters. They have great customer service. Thanks, Alliance. We'll leave you here, but I'll let you know after it's all done and how things went. Thanks a lot. Good luck with your RV. I'm sure other ones are doing the same thing. But, yeah, we'll get this fixed.